Hello all, this is Upendra once again. In today's session, I will show you how to apply to German universities via UniAssist. UniAssist has two types of applications. The first one is the VPD, which is a document that converts your Indian scale of grading to German scale of grading. And the second type of applications are the one which are completely handled by UniAssist. In today's example, I will show you how to apply for a VPD for TUM. So under the university section, we select Technische Universität München. And here you see there are two options, Bachelor Ala Fischer and Master Ala Fischer. For all the master courses, you can click on Master Ala Fischer. And for all the bachelor, you can click on Bachelor Ala Fischer. So I will go ahead with Master Ala Fischer, then add to selection. And then go to the selection list. Here you see that the Master Ala Fischer Technische Universität München is already populated. And here you see that there is a link which asks you to update additional application related questions. So click on it. And here there are two types of details. One for those who have studied their degree in German universities. And the second part is for those who have studied outside of Germany. Here you need to apply or update your 12th standard and degree, and if available, your work experience details. Once you have updated these details, then you save it. Then you come back to this page, and then you need to go for payment process. So to get to know more details about fees and payment, you click on this link. So here they give you all the details, how much handling fees you need to pay. For the very first application, you need to pay 75 euros, and for subsequent application, you will have to pay 30 euros. So if you come back in the same link, they have provided details on payment options. Once you go in, you will get to know what all the payment options that you have. So once you know the payment options, you can come back to your portal and then click on proceed to checkout. So before you proceed to checkout, please ensure that you have uploaded all your generic documents under this tab called documents. That is your 10th and 12th certificate, degree certificate, ID, passport, then the VPD application form, and if you have your work experience, those certificates, and so on, etc. So once they are uploaded here, and then you need to send the notarized copies of them to the address in Berlin where their office is located. So once that is done, they start processing your application only when they receive your post, and that is the hard copy of your certificates and the payment. Once the processing is done, you will receive your VPD via email and subsequently through post. So now I'll show you a copy of VPD, how it looks like. This is the VPD for TU München. You have your personal details, that is your name, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, and so on, and your educational background, where you studied your bachelor's in which field, and your German grade. And at the end, they will mention when this application was processed. And yeah, that's it in the VPD. In today's video, we have seen how to apply for a VPD via UniAssist. And in next video, we will see how to apply for those applications which are completely handled by UniAssist. Till then, stay tuned.